Hey loves! So I have a favorites video for you guys today, and I wanted to share my June favorites. Some of you might not know, June is my birthday month, so I am officially 27. I know, I'm gonna say it very low, but yeah, almost there. My 30s, almost. Not very excited about that, but I'm excited for what's to come for the month of June. And these are some products that I've been using but I haven't really mentioned in the favorites. Some I've used in tutorials or in my Instagram tutorials, or just comebacks that I have started using again, which I kind of stopped and now I'm using again. I'll start with foundation, and I have two that I have been really loving this month. One of them is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and this is a full coverage foundation, which I have been using non-stop when I want more coverage or just more flawless application. It's the one I have been using most this month. I've literally worn this every single time. Another new favorite which I've added is the Infallible Glow Pro Glow, and I have a review on the Infallible Pro Matte, I believe it's called, which I love that one as well, but ever since my skin has been a lot more dry, I haven't really used it as much. This one gives a very nice subtle glow to your skin, not too glowy, but definitely has that nice glow to it. I am wearing it right now. If you guys are interested in a review, please let me know and I will review it. My color is 204 Natural Buff, which I just pretty much guessed it, and it's pretty dead on, so I've been really loving this one. Another old favorite which I just repurchased, I have been using the Urban Decay what's it called, Naked or something, I forgot. But last month I purchased the NARS Creamy Concealer, which is my all-time favorite. I actually love it and prefer it more than the Naked one from Urban Decay, so I went back to this and I absolutely love it. I am in the color Custard. It is my exact color. I don't use it much for highlighting. I'd rather use something else, but I absolutely love it for the coverage it gives. For the eyes, I have been really loving the Charlotte Tilbury Dolce Vita palette, and I've had this palette for a while, but for the month of June, now in summer, I have been really loving it. I have it on right now, and it is so pretty. You can do so many different looks with this. It is a very pretty bronzy tone, and I just absolutely love it. Another favorite, which I haven't really mentioned but I have been using in my tutorials, is the RCMA No Color Powder. I really like it. I use it just under my eyes. It is very lightweight and doesn't feel heavy on your skin, so I really love it, and I have been using it ever since. I have not mentioned it, but I decided to mention it today because it's a really good powder. You must try this. These I haven't been really using for all of June, but I did get them when they released, and these are the Cover FX Custom Drops. I have done tutorials on this as well, I believe on my Instagram, and these are in the color Celestial and Sunkissed. So Celestial is a highlight, and this is kind of like a bronzier tone, which you can mix with your foundation. I like to use it as a bronzer, and it looks really pretty for those hot days. I really like just using this. I put a little bit of concealer and I'll do this and this, and it looks really pretty on, and I don't have a bunch of stuff on my face, so I've really been loving these two. Another bronzer that I have been really liking is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this bronzer is really nice. It is very subtle. It's not like really bronzy, but it's very subtle, really pretty for a natural look. I absolutely love it, and it smells so good. I mean, I can smell it for days. It smells so nice. Very subtle. It's, if you're really tan, it might not match. It might not be a good bronzer for you, but if you're my tone or lighter, it's really nice. I don't know if I mentioned this in another favorites, but this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this is in Precious Petals. I actually got this as a gift from my friend Bianca. She actually got this for me because I looked for it everywhere and I couldn't find it, and I'm so glad she gave it to me. Thank you. So I have been really loving this. I wear it almost all the time. It's a very pretty highlighter. I don't have it on today, surprisingly, but I do wear it often, and this is it. super pretty. Moving on to lips. These have been my go-to lip combos. I've literally worn this, if not every day that I wear makeup, or I mean, I don't wear makeup every day, but whenever I do wear it, this has been my go-to lip combo. And it's the Dulce liquid lipstick from Anastasia, which is kind of this pinky peachy color. I will put it here, right here, and it's really, really pretty. I like to use this on its own sometimes, or I like to use it on its own sometimes, but I mainly like to mix it with the NYX Lip Lingerie and Baby Doll. I also love using them on their own, but mixing them, it's like the perfect combo. And it's this one right here. Absolutely love these two. I've worn them non-stop and I absolutely love it for summer. It's very light and very pretty. You can wear this one on its own for a little bit more of a pop, but when you mix them together, they're a match made in heaven. But I have been loving for foundation with for my liquidier foundations, like the Infallible Pro Glow. I've been really loving the Zoeva 126 brush. It's a little dirty. I literally just used it and it looks like this. I love it for any liquidy foundation. It blends it really nicely, doesn't leave any streaks. Absolutely love it. Now for highlighter, liquid or powders, I love the Real Techniques brush. This is a setting brush. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. If I don't use this one, I tend to use a fluffier one, but this is my favorite one because it blends it really nicely. Absolutely love them. And another favorite for setting my under eyes, which I never mentioned this brush, but I absolutely love this brush. It's the only one I use to set my under eyes. Absolutely love it. And this is the Bdellium Tools, I believe it's called. This is the number 940 and I absolutely love this brush. The next favorites kind of have to do with beauty. I absolutely have been loving these vitamins from Olly. And this is the other one I actually also really like. Helps overall with your skin. And this has hyaluronic acid, it has marine collagen, sea buckthorn. It has really good vitamins in here that really help keep your skin hydrated and really nice. Absolutely love, love, love them. They are really tasty. This one is plum berry and it's really, really yummy. They actually are really good. The Undeniable Beauty it's called, and this one is good for hair, skin, and nails. It has biotin, vitamin C, and it also has borage oil. I don't know what that is, but I mean, if it's gonna help my hair grow, since I did have a baby 3 months ago, my hair has been falling out like crazy, and this has really helped with keeping it looking healthy. This is in the flavor Grapefruit Glam. If I had a favorite flavor, I think I like this one more, but absolutely love them both. They have been doing a really good job for my skin and my hair. Well, I think that is all for my favorites. It's kind of short and quick. I like to do quick videos, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please share your favorites so I can try new products. I'm kind of in a funk. I don't know what new products. I like new palettes. I don't know what I want to try, but I want to try something new. So definitely share down below what your favorites are for this month. And yeah, so bye guys.